So what is up, y'all? This time I am going to be, don't forget, my name is Seabird, and I'm trying to become a YouTuber. I'm also going to be pranking my parents. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to, scream for help, but then I'm going to load this nerf gun, and then right when they walk in, I'm going to shoot them. So let's load the nerf gun first. Okay. I need my bullets. Where are my bullets? Oh, here my bullets are. Oh, here a bullet is. Hold up. I'm just putting them on my bullets so I can shoot them. Okay, let me just get all my bullets. Just to let you know, I really like Nerf. Okay, I might be doing some Nerf videos. Let me just break open this pack so I can put bullets in there. Okay. Ow. Hey, come on, boys, come out. Oh, here it is. Load them up, boys. Okay, here. Just loading my bullets, so then right when he walks and someone walks, I'm gonna go bam, bam, bam. Hang on, I'm just loading really fast. It's good. I only have 2 more little rounds left. Okay, let me just break this one open really fast. Got it. Okay, good. Now I just need to put my bullets in. Yep, 2. Please, y'all, if this really works, actually, please drop a like. If y'all watch the whole video, I'm trying to get at least 2,000 likes on this, or at least 2,000 views. So, y'all, please, drop a like, please, or you don't have to subscribe yourself, just do a like, okay? I'm almost done. I only have 2 more bullets to put in. Hold on. Almost done. Come on. Out. Good. Cool. Now. Alright, now I have to scream. So help, 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 help. There's something in my room. And then like that, okay? So, here we go. Help! Mom, come here! Mom! Watch this. Come here! Mom, come here! Oh, okay.
Created a pure team mess.
Don't forget to drop a like, and please give me at least 1 million views. Oh, that was awesome. All right, well, peace out.